How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be checking out the Brinkley fifth wheel. So this is going to be their 2025 Model Z 2670, and it is really a good looking fifth wheel. If I take a step back, you can see this massive awning that stretches over almost the whole campsite of the trailer. You have your basement here with some outlets as well as your battery disconnect switch. You do have a spray port in here as well. To the left of that, we're going to see your outdoor fridge. So this is an oversized one. It has plenty of room to keep your drinks cold. Taking a step back, looking at the tires, you can see that this camper is dual axle. You have some nice solid steps underneath your entry door, as well as a nice big grab handle. And then moving to the back of the fifth wheel, you see, if you look up, you have backup camera, nice big ladder, and then above your receiver hitch, you do have a little bit of outside storage for your extra camping supplies. Moving to the driver's side of the camper, you can tell that this camper only has one slide out, which is really nice. Still makes it roomy on the inside, as you'll see going forward. We're gonna run into your hot water heater, as well as your 50 amp plug-in. You have your water station, nice light to illuminate the area. You also have your electronic leveling system. That storage compartment right there is going to be for your propane. You have your heavy duty Hitch by Kurt at the very tip of this camper. And let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the right of your entry door. If we look through this cabinet here, we're going to see your control panel. So you can control your lights, your awning, your slide outs, your max air fan, all that good stuff. And then taking a step back, on this back wall of this camper, you have your couch. So tons of storage above, cute little accent lights on either side. It does fold into a bed in case you have some late night stragglers. And then these little side tables do have some storage in them as well. Moving to your slide out, the first thing we're going to run into is going to be your theater seating. So you have wireless charger in the middle. They obviously do recline. You do have some remote storage in the middle here as well. And then moving forward, you have your pantry and your residential fridge. So opening up this pantry, you have these really deep pull-out shelves, which is really nice. You can store a ton of extra food in there. Obviously, your residential style fridge is massive as well. And then moving into your kitchen, you have a single basin sink, 3-burner cooktop, huge oven down below, and then your microwave above all of that. You have a smart TV, as well as this really cool pull-out trash system that has your paper towel holder and extra storage in there as well. As far as dining goes, you do have this really cool dinette system. It does move and groove to however you see fit with your smart TV above it. Moving towards the middle of the camper, if we go up these stairs, we're gonna run into your bathroom. So you have a massive shower in here with a skylight above to give you a little bit of extra headroom. Really nice shower faucet, as well as some storage that is also accessible from the bedroom. Next to your shower, you have some towel holders as well as a little shelf, and then below that you have your porcelain toilet. Across from your toilet, you have your sink, as well as some storage underneath and a nice big mirror. At the very front of this camper, you're going to see your main bedroom. So you have a queen size bed, nice little accent lights on either side, storage surrounding, and then across from your queen size bed, you're gonna have a wardrobe as well as another TV, little hanging rods as well. And then right before we go out this door, you're going to have some lights as well as your heat and AC controls. All right, guys, that's gonna be your 2025 Brinkley Model Z 2670. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Top, huge oven down below, and then your microwave above all of that. You have a smart TV, as well as this really cool pull-out tray.